Get ready to witness the magic of wood turning as I create a stunning dining table pillar from scratch. In this video, I'll be sharing my wood turning skills to craft a beautiful and functional piece of furniture that will elevate any dining room. From selecting the perfect wood to adding the final touches, I'll take you through every step of the process. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the satisfying sounds and visuals of wood turning magic. Watch as I transform a simple piece of wood into a stunning dining table pillar. The journey begins with selecting the perfect wood, rich in texture and character. As I mount the wood on the lathe, the magic truly starts. With each turn, shavings fly, revealing the beautiful grain hidden beneath the surface. It's mesmerizing to see the raw material morph into a work of art right before your eyes. With precision and care, I shape the pillar, focusing on every curve and detail. The rhythm of the lathe is almost hypnotic, and I can feel the piece coming to life. The transformation is not just physical, it's an expression of creativity and craftsmanship. As I sand and finish the wood, the vibrant colors emerge, showcasing the unique patterns that nature has created. This dining table pillar is not just a piece of furniture, it's a conversation starter, a centerpiece for family gatherings, and a testament to the beauty of handcrafted woodwork. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey of wood turning magic, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing creations.